Let's see how await async promise and then works in JavaScript. For example, if we have a function here and console log a string here, and if we get this data from another function like this, and use this function for console log, and what happened if this data received with a delay? We use set timeout to make a delay here. After 2 seconds. And if we put return here and click on this button, we can see it doesn't work and it's return undefined. To achieve this purpose, we must use promise and return promise instead of this data. Return new promise. And put delay here and use resolve and resolve this to this promise, and it will return to this promise for us. And if we click on this, we can see it's a promise, but we want this data. For get this data from the promise, we must use await keyword before the method, and if it will give us an error because await keyword is only allowed in async functions. And if we put async before the function, we can see after 2 seconds it works. Actually, async made functions to run step by steps. In other words, in async functions, each promise must resolve and go for next. And what is the then? It's very simple. You can use then to run promises anywhere you want and retrieve data from promise. We can use it outside this function. Then data without clicking on this button, we can use this function in main script. Also, we can use another then after any then. We can see it here. And if we return the data, return a data here, next then we'll receive that. You can see it here. This data will return and next then receive it. And also we can return a promise and next then will resolve it. If we return a promise here, you can see, and if we resolve it with delay, it's work with no problem. First, and after 2 seconds, it return new promise, and next then it's resolve and use the data. And the link of this stack blitz is on the caption of this video.